785,000 YouTube views. 0 faces shown. Ever. Here's exactly how I did it. Most people think you need a camera, a ring light, and a personal brand to make money on YouTube. So they never start. They scroll past other people's success and tell themselves, that's not for me. I'm too private, too busy, too camera shy. That was me too. Until I discovered faceless content. Faceless content is exactly what it sounds like. You create videos, posts, and content without ever showing your face. No camera, no dancing, no performing. Instead, you use 3 things. Number 1, AI tools like Syllabi.io to write your script and generate a voiceover in your chosen voice. You type a topic, it builds the video script in minutes. Number 2, free stock footage from sites like Pexels and Pixabay. Real cinematic footage that matches your topic. All free, all legal. Number 3, CapCut to put it all together. Drag the footage in, drop the voiceover on top, add captions, export, done. That's the entire system. 3 tools. No face, no camera, no experience required. I'm a full-time union journeyman electrician with 20+ years on the job site. Wife, mom, grandma. I built 785,000 YouTube views using this exact system in the margins of a full life. 15 minutes here, 30 minutes there. Quietly, consistently. Faceless. If you want to start building your own faceless content, I have a free 7-day faceless launchpad inside my free community, the Chillstar 08 Inner Circle on Skool. The link is in the description. Come build with me.